Hello everyone. Let's take a look at a setup and a trigger that happened today in ES. Today is 5/11. It's a Wednesday, 2022. If you see here, it's actually in the anchor chart, which is this chart right here. It's actually I took the trade after this big run. Okay, so there was a I'm using this new tool that right here. So let me see if I can properly use it. So here you have a nice run from this lows of 3970 all the way to 4,035. So then the market started to do some consolidation right here, and um, and um, and it was actually in compression in this area right here, see, and then started to break down there in the anchor chart. So that is what I saw there. So it was a little bit toppy in that in the anchor chart. So I decided to take a trade. This one is actually a in this anchor chart is actually a counter trend trade. So I did have some room to the 89 EMA, but also some room to the 200. It didn't reach the 200 EMA in here, but it was actually a nice trade. It was $475. And I did use two contracts. If you wait until the end of the video, I'm gonna explain you what is the setup for, or what is the Renko setup that I have there. So so here is the this is the entry chart. Before that, I'm gonna let you know, or I'm gonna point out that uh, the 30-minute chart, which is this one here, is actually in this bar. That bar there is where I took the trade, and it's actually it was moving up. So found some resistance at this level right here, and then started to come down. And when it was coming down is where I took the the trade. See, so here you have the entry, that red that red triangle there, or red arrow, and then you have the first a contract going off, and the second contract going off. So all right. So if you see here, there was in the entry chart, we do have congestion right here, and then it started to break down that level right there. But we were very close to the 200 moving average right there. So the 200 started to go horizontal, but um, the other moving average, the 89, the 34, and the 21, they were moving down, and they were opening. So I took the trade when it crossed that. I didn't want to take the trade just immediately before the it crossed, right? But I did take it on the break of that week you see right there. Okay. So that is the setup. So it's a reversal. All the moving averages are now pointing down, and they are crossing. And then I took the trade um, right there. Right there. So that is the entry. First contract then came off at 10 ticks right there, and then the second one came off right there in that blue um, triangle that you have right there, or blue arrow. So trade was $475 with the two contracts. So let's see what is the setup I have here. So this one is actually a uni Renko, and this is the tick trend is 2, open offset is 5, and the tick reversal is 10. So I do have 30 days loaded in this chart. So that's the setting for this triangle. Now, in terms of the um, of the moving averages I'm using, so this one is the 200, this one is the 89, 34, and 21. Okay, so well, I hope you like the video, and see you next time.